Hello everyone and welcome to ESG Matters. Wildfires erupted in early 2025, affecting both California and Japan. Though geographically distant, they shared key triggers: severe drought, strong winds, and the influence of climate change. In California, record dry conditions turned vegetation into kindling. Meanwhile, Ofunado City, Japan, saw just 2.5 millimeters of rain in February, less than 10% of its average, contributing to the spread of fires. Wind played a major role, with California's Santa Ana winds spreading embers, while Japan recorded gusts up to 40 mph, intensifying fire conditions. Experts warn climate change is increasing wildfire risks. In California, rising temperatures have dried out landscapes, raising fire intensity. In Japan, an unusual lack of snow cover left forests exposed, creating an elevated wildfire threat. But the scale differed. California's wildfires resulted in 28 fatalities, destroyed 16,000 structures, and caused up to $45 billion in damages. In Japan, 3,300 residents evacuated, 84 buildings were lost, and 1 fatality was reported. Another key contrast? California's established wildfire response. Within 30 days, crews cleared debris from over 9,000 properties. Japan, less accustomed to large-scale fires, may need to review its wildfire preparedness. Is this the new reality? As climate patterns shift, the line between wildfire-prone and wildfire-safe zones is rapidly blurring. What do you think? Are global wildfire threats escalating beyond control? Comment down below. Stay with ESG Matters for more on the world's changing climate challenges.